Welcome to GearWings.com YouTube channel. In today's video, we will be taking you on the process of assembling propellers. But before we dive into the details, let's see how can different propellers and their corresponding motor names be classified. Here, in this video, we are going to assemble the 3011 propellers to the X8 motor, stepwise assembling. Step 1. Open the package. It includes 2 CCW and 2 CW propellers. It also contains 2 Propellor Mount and M3 screws. Step 2. First select any one propeller set, either it's CCW or CW. Then assemble that mount and propellers as showing here. Step 3. Same, now select other propeller set and start assemble like previous. Step 4. After done assembling of mount, then go to your X8 drone to assemble this propeller set. Now assemble screws to the X8 motor as showing here. Same for the other propeller set, do the same. Assembling completed. Gear up with GearWings.com. Visit our website and explore the products and its prices. For more such videos, like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.